The Great Fire of London, a legacy of change. Imagine a city consumed by flames. How did the Great Fire of London in 1666 reshape our world? What really happened when London burned? Let's uncover the untold story of this catastrophe. From the ashes of destruction rose a brand new London. Let's explore these surprising changes. In September 1666, the Great Fire began in a small bakery, igniting a massive catastrophe. The fire spread, obliterating homes, businesses, and lives. The devastation was unimaginable. Yet from this chaos, changes emerged that reshaped London forever. The fire led to new architecture, with buildings made from brick and stone instead of wood. Sir Christopher Wren spearheaded the rebuilding, creating landmarks like St. Paul's Cathedral. With a focus on urban planning, London transformed into a safer, modern city. The fire also ignited a shift in social awareness about public health and safety regulations. In the aftermath, new industries began to flourish, creating economic opportunities for many. The fire cemented London's status as a global center for trade and culture, influencing the world. Let's take a moment to reflect on the fire's long-lasting impact on the identity of London. The Great Fire taught us lessons in resilience, adaptation, and the importance of urban planning. Its legacy goes beyond bricks. It influenced architectural innovation all over the world. The fire was a pivotal moment in history, turning London from medieval to a modern metropolis. The fascination with the Great Fire of London continues to inspire countless stories. The spirit of resilience shines through as London rises from the ashes time and again. The Great Fire of London isn't just a story of destruction, it's a story of rebirth and hope. So next time you walk the streets of London, remember the fire that changed it all. Join us in exploring more about London's rich history and stories that shaped the world. Share this story and ignite curiosity about the past in your friends and family. Together, let's keep the flame of history alive and learn from our past. Thank you for exploring the Great Fire of London with us. Until next time.